I think I'm probably too old to be on my kitchen floor. But I'm gonna kind of pretend I know what I'm talking about. Okay, dinner is ready. Welcome to my kitchen floor. And welcome to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather, and I am here to show you the easiest ways to get the best results in your kitchen. And that is why I'm on my kitchen floor. Let me rewind just a little bit to explain. So here's what happened. All of my kitchen appliances died at the same time. I couldn't believe it. Now, granted, most of them are quite old and I've gotten great use out of them and I absolutely love them, but dead. So I'm looking at this going like, what the heck? And I have to replace all of these things. And then CookingPal contacted me and said, hey, we've got a new product we would love for you to look at. Can we send you one? And guess what? It does everything that these do. Yes, it chops and it minces and it grinds and it blends and it kneads dough and it grinds meat. And not only does it do all of that, it also cooks. So it sautés and it steams and it cooks in multi-layers. So I can do an entire meal in like 25 minutes. I cannot wait to pull all of this together. These appliances, plus it cooks. And I'm like, heck yeah, you can send me one. So thank you to CookingPal for not only for sending me one, but for also sponsoring this video so I can go through the process and test it out and see if it is a product that I would recommend for you. It kind of does sound too good to be true, but I will let you know. One of the perks of my job is that I get approached by brands all the time to review products and demo them to see if it's something you guys would like. Now, obviously, I don't bring you all of those videos because I'm really picky about the products that I choose to evaluate and put on video for you guys. But I was contacted by CookingPal, and they are just launching a brand new smart kitchen appliance. And when I say smart, I'm talking like way in the future smart that does all of that. It is called the CookingPal Multo. So they said, hey, can we send you one? And we'd be happy to sponsor your video to see if it's something that you like and something that you think is a good fit for your audience. So I'm very excited about that. Today, I'm going to show you the unboxing and show you what it looks like and tell you about what it does. And then the next video, I'm going to do a cooking demonstration for you. And then the last video, the third video in the series, is going to give you my straight up honest review of the product. So let's get to the unboxing. I am very excited about it. All right, I need to move. And you know what? I think I'm probably too old to be on my kitchen floor. So this box came within a regular shipping box. And I took that shipping box out, but what I wanted to show you is that right when you open the shipping box, there is this really handy instructions on how to unbox it. And it actually is very helpful. I did read this, which is how I know that I was gonna stand this up on end, which is why I'm on my kitchen floor, because I knew it would be too tall to demo this on my countertop. So let's get to the unboxing. This really is the first time that I am opening this box, and I'm so excited. It's kind of like it's my birthday, but it's not. Although it is almost my anniversary. What a great anniversary present, guys. Great anniversary present. And you know what? That was kind of sexist. Ladies, this is also a great anniversary present for your partner as well. Okay, so all you do, and I love this because there's no tape to cut through. You just open this front panel and drop it to the ground. And look, they have some writing on the inside. I think my overhead camera will get a shot of this, but it says, welcome to the future of cooking. See, I'm not kidding. It really is the future of cooking. It's amazing, like smart, like way smart cooking. Put the future of the planet first. Oh, so recycle. So this is recyclable and there's no plastic, I think. You know, I'm gonna go on a tangent just for a little bit. This whole recycle and no plastic is really amazing. When we bought our sailboat and sailed it from Florida through the Panama Canal up to the Sea of Cortez, I was actually shocked and appalled at the amount of plastic in the ocean. Like, it actually really is a problem. So you know what? Kudos to you, CookingPal, for really taking that seriously. And no plastic. They want you to recycle this or actually reuse it. I think they're coming out with a little video that your kids could actually use this box to make a cute little toy kitchen. So I have not seen that, but that sounds like a pretty cool idea. So thumbs up to you guys for that. Okay, let's see what is in it. Now first, it says to take out this top box, which this box, and I'll show you this in a minute, is all of the accessories that allow the Multo to do everything it does. So I'm gonna open that in just a second. And then the next box comes out. Oh, and I'm so excited about this. This is the central hub that controls everything. So I cannot wait to get my hands on that. And then the last thing is the Multo itself. You know, I just realized there's really no way that I can pull this out without turning my wrong side to the camera, and that ain't happening. So let me pull it out, get it on my countertop, and I will meet you there. Okay, I made it up off the floor, so that's a bonus. And yeah, if you peek behind me, you can see the base unit, but I am saving that for the end because it's actually really cool. It's the first time I've seen it. Okay, so this box has the accessories that allow the Multo to do everything it does. So let's go through it and see. Again, I just have to point out, like their packaging is very, very cool. It really does explain everything. So let's see what is in this. So excited. Let's see. Okay, so first they have this shallow steaming basket. So as I go through these, you'll see more and more what this thing does. But this is a shallow steaming basket for, I would say, vegetables or fish. You know, asparagus would be great in there. And it also has a lid. And then there is a deeper basket. Wow, that can do, looks like that can do pretty much anything. So the whole functionality of this device is everything is cooked in layers. So you can have a complete meal in like less than 30 minutes. So this layer is for the larger things. And then the last thing in this box is a specialized spatula. Has a little hook on it. I have read that that is to remove the steaming basket from the unit. So let me get the other box to show you the hub. I'm so excited about that. Okay, this is the brains behind the product, the hub. Now it is a dedicated tablet. This is literally the first time I'm holding it for your Multo. Now I know a lot of you have tablets, and I have a tablet, but this stays in the kitchen. Well, you can actually take it around if you want to check on things and see how it's going. But generally it's gonna stay with your Multo because that way, you know, if you're cooking, your hands are dirty or messy or flour or water or sticky and you use it, it's actually designed for that. So you do not need to worry about messing up your own tablet that you might crawl in bed with later to read a book or something. You don't have to worry about that one getting all messed up. So I actually really, really love this and I cannot wait to actually try it. And then of course it has your instruction manual in here. It's very, again, you guys might be tired of me saying it, but really the packaging is just beautiful. It is beautiful. And honestly, that's often a sign of a high quality product. They have this cute little thank you card and all the instructions that you will need. Now, under the instructions, it has the cable. So this is just power cable for the unit. And then this is a charger for the tablet. And then, oh, this is good. I did not know it came with this. This obviously is a stand for the tablet as well. So you can hold it more vertical or you can leave it like that so it's easier to see if you're just looking down at your countertop. So that is what is in this box. Now, let me go get the base unit. Okay, so here it is. And I have to say, I'm really, really impressed. It's true. I have not used it yet. So I will, and I will get back to you on that. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because that way you will be notified when my next video comes out, which is that actual cooking demo. Cannot wait. But I'm impressed because the feel of it, the quality feel of this entire unit. And the first thing that I noticed is that when I moved it from that counter to this counter, and doesn't it go with my kitchen just beautifully. I love this. Anyway, it has suction cups on the bottom, so super stable. And because it does knead dough and you don't want it rocking and rolling all over your countertop. So it actually will stay put. I'm very excited to make bread again. It's been a long time. And then also you can just see over here, this is this tablet that is dedicated. I will fire this up so you could at least look at the screen. This is the stand. So that's what it looks like. Very slick, but again, you can also put it down if it's easier to read that way. So very, very thoughtful, Cooking Pal. Okay, now the lid, let's take that off. I can't tell you, the feel is just really, really solid. I hope that you can get that out of this video. It does have a measuring cup, and if I had my glasses on, I could read it. It looks like about a half a cup. Don't get me started about my glasses. So it just locks into place, and it makes it really easy to use and then put back into place. And then, God, this is just like the gift that keeps on giving. Here is the paddle. I assume this is what's used to stir things and probably knead your dough as well. Excited about bread. Did I already say that? I love bread. And then, gosh, one more thing. It's got this little basket. Now, maybe this is what you cook pasta in water in here. I'll bet that's exactly what that's for. Can't wait. So you can do, well, hold on, I'll get to that. And then in the bottom are the super sharp blades. So I'm not going to pull those out. I think you can see it from the overhead camera. So this is the base unit. And it's also, if you can see, a very, very large capacity. This is where it hooks to the brains behind it. And so you just stand it right in there. Very, very cool. So I've never put it together before, but I'm going to kind of pretend I know what I'm talking about. I think you can put this basket in there with some water in it, and it will boil some pasta. And then you do multi-layer cooking, and that screws right in there. And then you top it off with, your vegetables. So I think you can put like pasta in there, chicken or fish in there, and then a nice layer of vegetables in there. And then, okay, dinner is ready. So anyway, that is basically the functionality of how it is going to work. I can't wait to try it. So let me just go ahead and plug these in to show you what it looks like when it's powered up. So plugged it in, the power switch is on the back, as is the cord to power it, also the cord to charge the tablet. Okay, so I am not going to go through the entire setup process this time. I will tell you about it next time. Like I said earlier, this actually replaces all of those appliances I had. So it does everything a food processor does. It does everything a blender does. It does everything my stand mixer does, and so much more, because it also cooks the food. Yes, it does everything. So yes, it chops, it even grinds meat. That's awesome. But then it also sautés and makes sauces and makes soups, and it kneads your bread dough, and you can proof it in here. And it does this multi-layer cooking where you can actually boil pasta, and you can make a sauce, and you can cook some chicken, and you can do vegetables all at the same time. So it does like everything. It's really amazing. I just cannot wait to try it. Now, what I haven't said yet is that right now, this is available for pre-order only. Again, I feel so fortunate that I got my hands on one, but you will get a big discount if you pre-order it. So I will have the link to the pre-order below. And I'm also going to put a link. They have a very cool little functionality. It's actually an AR functionality where if you click on it and you take a scan of your own kitchen, it'll use AR and actually place sort of an image of one of these in your kitchen so you can see where it would fit. I did that before I got my unit, and it was really, really fun to do. So I recommend doing that. And they also do offer a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can send it back. I have not yet tried it, but I will let you know in my next video, which is actually going to come out in just a few days. I just need a couple days to try it out, try out several recipes, and let you know what I think. So do look for those links below. Look for that discount, that pre-order discount. And I'll let you know what I think next week when I'm cooking with it. Thank you so much for watching the Spicy Apron cooking show. I hope you're as excited as I am about watching this in action. I will see you next time when I am whipping out a fabulous meal with the CookingPal Multo.